Amazing. Oh my god, you guys! I got the table of my dreams, my fucking dreams, for $50. And got a couple other home decor things too, but that was like the big kit and caboodle. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. I've been looking for a table like that specifically for months. I almost didn't get it, but I kept going past it and I kept looking at it. I took like a million pictures of it. This is the kicker. I texted Mason and I was like, I know you hate glass tables. I know they're a pain in the ass to clean. I know we've had one before, but this is the table of my dreams. I'm trying really hard not to buy it right now. And he was just like, buy it. I was like, okay, fine. I'll buy it. I feel like I'm so lucky because the aesthetic that I like is very like neutral, lots of like stone and wicker and stuff like that. Kind of like modern beach minimal, if you will. But a lot of that home decor, a lot of people get thrifted because it's like 80s Florida home decor, essentially. And obviously I live in Florida, so I'm super lucky. All right, y'all, we're back home. Also, I'm keeping all of the windows and doors open because it is so nice out. Anyways, here's the base of the new table. Here's my current table. I'll show you guys everything in a second, but look at it! Okay, so let me tell you like my vision for the living room. We were gonna move into a new home, so we like held off on redecorating. We decided to stay because of the current market. It just didn't make sense for us to buy our first home while everything's super inflated, which is fine. We love it here. We're super close to the beach. Honestly, like I'm emotionally attached to this place. But what's gonna go is like the artwork, just like all of the bright, colorful, beachy theme stuff is gonna go. Everything that's neutral is gonna pretty much stay. We're hoping to get a new couch soon, but I think I'm just gonna move this table out of the way, get the new table set up. Guys, I'm obsessed. Also, when I tell you I saw a vase just like this at this store, it was like $75. I legit found this in the thrift store for $2. And when I tell you it is the same exact thing, and it looks so good on the table. We love manifesting home decor. Oh my god, yay! I'm so happy. Just got a text back from my tattoo artist, and I have an appointment on my birthday on the 19th. It's gonna be similar to this, but instead of a tiger, it's gonna be a cheetah. But I want it to be like right here. The reason I'm getting a cheetah is because I had a Reiki session done and my power animal is a cheetah. You guys know I'm into like my spiritual woo-woo shit. But yeah, cheetahs are dope. Any hoozle. Mason's on his way home. He's starving. I'm starving. We're gonna get some food. Probably gonna cut the vlog here for today, and then I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, okay, it is Saturday. It's about 2:39 p.m. I just knocked on my door. Just kidding, I think it's a solicitor. So I was gonna bring you guys to the gym with me, but that early I just was not thinking about it, so I didn't take you guys with me. But came home, made some breakfast, made some coffee, just finished editing some TikToks and posting. Still have a bunch of stuff I want to do today, but I got a call from my dealership saying that my car probably has equity and I might be able to trade it in for a newer car. I'm gonna go and get that checked out. Another thing too is that my car has hail damage. They were saying we might be able to bypass the insurance altogether and still get me a new car. Either way, it's about 40 minutes away, so I'm gonna get my ass up and drive over there. Okay guys, we're here. This kept me company during my drive. I'm sure 40 minutes doesn't seem like a long drive for you guys, but it does for me. Somebody's coming to my car, so I'm gonna go buy. And not me literally getting a new car. Okay, so long story short, yeah, I have a new car. I didn't think they were gonna let me walk with it today. My car is gone. I don't have to deal with the hail damage anymore, but that's so dope. Like I was expecting to have my last car for another year and a half, and they straight up just gave me a 2022. I'm excited, and this is the premium luxury. I had the Cadillac XT4 2020 luxury. This is the Cadillac XT4 2022 premium luxury. I have more features. I'm gonna like dive into it later, but the main thing I noticed is that I now have heated seats and I have ventilated seats, which Mason's gonna be happy about. It's so cute. Not this being a fire vlog, not me getting a new car. I had to literally get all the shit out of my car since I obviously didn't think I was gonna be taking my car home. So thankfully I have my 2 tote bags. They are filled to the brim with the odds and ends that were in my 2020, but now I'm in my 2022. I literally have been like coming up in all areas of my life. That's so crazy. Like I wasn't even expecting this. Anyways, see you guys at home and I'll show you my new car. What the fuck? Okay, so I'm back at my house. I'm gonna show you guys like around my car real quick, and then we'll go inside and look at all the stuff that I thrifted because I didn't show you guys yet. And tell me why the home decor gods are with me, because Mason and I saw a garage sale on the way back from the gym this morning, and I got the perfect coasters for my new coffee table. This is about to be so satisfying. Oh yes, don't get to do that often. All right, so here's the car from my angle. One thing that I noticed that's definitely new is the wood grain. I did not have that before. I just had like the chrome features. Okay, so I'm in my living room filming a little like TikTok thrift styling video. So I wanted to show you guys my thrift outfits at the same time, kill 2 birds, 1 stone or whatever. This dress is what I thrifted. It's so pretty and it's giving like fairy vibes. It's giving music festival. This is such a fun outfit. Okay, next thing. How gorgeous is this? It was like a little lingerie nightgown moment, but I love how it just like attaches right here and then it like just covers my shorts. So it looks like a dress from the back. I'm obsessed. I paired it with these little Western boots. So fun. Literally so fun. Okay, and next up, hold on, let me put my water bottle down. Next up, these trousers. These were such a find. They fit me freaking perfectly. I have been obsessed with trousers lately, as have everyone, and I feel like they're the perfect pair of pants to wear into spring and summer as well. Like I love wearing shorts and I love wearing little to nothing, but there's just something about a pant. It just looks nicer, you know, like it looks more pulled together. And then this bag is so cute. For the summer, I'm kind of going for like a neutral, like I'm on a bougie trip to Cabo situation. Like we're going for like Tulum chic. Think sand for the color palette. I know the last outfit that I showed you kind of goes against that, but I'm never gonna be able to stay away from a pop of color every now and then. Like it has to happen. Okay, next outfit. So what I thrifted was this tank top, like satiny situation. What I love about it is it's like fitted. So the seams on the outside go like this. This is such a vibe. It's so comfortable. This is like the perfect going out for drinks, fun summer night situation. Guys, this shirt, this might be one of the coolest thrift finds I've ever gotten. It has shoulder pads. I love shoulder pads. Look at how sick the pattern is on the front. And then the back! Wait, okay, see what I paired it with? These little go-go boots. I also thrifted these a while ago. Okay, this is the next top. It's actually like a longer button down, but it's really nice and loose, very summer friendly. Okay, these are the low-rise pants of my dress. These are Levi's. They're incredible. But the fact that they fit me perfectly, I can't. Look at the booty. They look so good. Paired them with some kitten heels, little flip-flop heels you guys saw earlier, and this cutesy little top I got as well. Obviously this whole fit is giving like 90s. I'm on to the last items, but how cute is this top? It's like a little long, but I can just like roll it under, and it's so freaking cute. I have no idea when or where I'm gonna wear this, but don't care. These are the DKNY pants. I've never had a pair of pants fit me better. Really needed a pair of black pants and they're really like fun. And then I have these 2 other tops. Look at this stunning top that I found in the back. And then I also got this one. Hopefully you enjoyed my little thrift haul for the clothes. Okay, so it's the next morning. It's Sunday. Mason's still sleeping. I wanted to show you guys the stuff I got from the garage sale. I got this freaking coffee table book. It's so beautiful. It's stunning and it's gonna look so good on our table. Anyways, it's so funny because I was just saying I wanted a coffee table book. I'll probably go to Home Goods or Target and like grab a couple other things to put on it. Maybe get like a really cute coffee table book. And then boom, found one at the garage sale the next day. So I got that. I got myself a puzzle. This is my favorite find, you guys. It was $5, as you can see. Look at how stunning this painting is. Oh yeah, and then I got these freaking coasters. You guys, I was just saying yesterday that I needed coasters. Are these not so cute? The way these match perfectly, the freaking coasters, the table, and the book. Like, not me manifesting the perfect home decor. Okay, so I posted a collab. I had to post it on TikTok and Reels. Anyways, I'm like super low energy right now, probably because I started my day with like a raging workout. What are we gonna do? Get more caffeine. Okay, it is now the end of the day. Well, it's like 8:49 p.m. and your girl is done with work. I don't have anything super heavy planned for tomorrow except for I'm getting my first Brazilian wax and I'm getting the sugar wax done, which is apparently like way better. So I'll probably take you guys with me for that. But my girlfriend's about to come over and we're gonna hang out, do a little tarot reading, have some wine, maybe participate in some 420 activities, you know, nice wholesome stuff. Yeah, the liquor store closes in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna get in the car. Wait, this is my first time seeing my car at night. The handles. Oh my god, that is so cute. Hello. Caught you at the nick of time. Good, how are you? Could I get the Kim Crawford Sauv Blanc, the one with the black label, and I believe it's in the fridge. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Have a great night.
You guys.
Okay, so I'll show you, wait, Alexa, pause. I'll show you the wine I got. This is quite literally my favorite wine, Kim Crawford, but you have to get the one with the black label, okay? Don't get the Illuminate or the Illuminate or whatever. It's like less calories. Boo. Lame. Throwing tomatoes. We don't want that. This is the one. This is the one. Good morning, everyone. About to go work out with my two workout girlfriends. It's like 7:15 in the morning. I was supposed to be there at 7:15, but we're always late, so it's never a big deal. I'm not sure what we're working out today, but I'm gonna try to bring you guys with as much as I possibly can. Wait, I can't even talk, it's too early. I look like an absolute bum right now. I don't know what one wears to a bikini wax. Nevertheless, we are about to be en route. Also, I'm on time. Actually, I'll be 10 minutes early, which is great. I really want to like take you guys in there with me because I feel like I have a really high pain tolerance. I at least won't like show that I'm in pain. Brazilian, Brazilian. I'm no longer gonna be a wax version. Well, I've gotten like my legs waxed before, but okay, we're here. Yeah, that was painful. Okay, I don't know if you guys like heard what I was trying to say when I was in the studio. I mean, people told me it was painful, but damn. I feel like I said, I have a high pain tolerance. Like, I get tattoos, I lift weights. Like, pain isn't that big of a deal to me if I know it's like warranting a good outcome, but just certain spots were so fucking sore. And I'm sure you're listening to this like, duh, Lexi, you didn't know that. But no, I didn't, because that was my first time, okay? I didn't walk Tyson earlier, so I'm gonna do that now. Probably go through some emails, and then Mason should be home from fishing. I told him I want to get a glass of wine somewhere, so probably gonna go do that. Good morning. It is, what day is it? It's Thursday. And we're gonna shoot at the beach today. I'm also gonna challenge myself to shoot without any makeup on. I literally just barely filled in my brows. That's it. I'm trying to like fix my relationship with myself and makeup as far as like not wearing it. I don't have a problem not wearing makeup in public or anything, but on the gram, I feel like it's just not something I normally do. So I'm gonna start doing that because that's one of my main things that keeps me from shooting during the summer. If you know, you know, like your makeup starts to melt off. It's awful. And I just can't stand the feeling of makeup when you're sweating. So hopefully this solves all my problems. There's some sick little locations where we're gonna be on the beach. So I'm hoping everything works out well, but my friend Damaris is gonna come with me. And it should be fun, especially because she's wanting to start like her journey as an influencer too, so I can help her get some good shots for her new page. Hi friends. Definitely was not a good vlogger, did not vlog our beach session, but at all. With Damaris, we got some fire photos. I'll show you guys that later. Sorry guys, we didn't film any of the shooting at all, but I have a whole video if you want to check it out on how I shoot my own photos, so I'll link that above. Anyways, we're gonna go get some mimosas. We had a great day of shooting. Check the feed to see the photos. Anyways, time to go drink. Love you guys. Remember to subscribe and like and turn on your post notification. Adios. Oh wait, I didn't do my thing. Bye.